Hi everyone, welcome back. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Cynthia, also known as Cindy Lou Who. Today I am going to go ahead and do the back to school drugstore makeup. I'm a big drugstore shopper, especially when it comes to makeup. I'm especially cheap and I always look for the clearance products. So I just had to go ahead and go in and do a makeup look doing drugstore products, especially for those of you that are going back to school. And today is the first day of fall here. And now that we are going into the fall weather and the leaves are starting to fall off the trees, it is time for everybody to go back to school, go back to high school, college, whatever may have you. And I just wanted to go ahead and do a makeup video like I had to. It was there. It was supposed to be done. So I would love for you to watch this, sit back, get a treat, and let's jump into this. Alright, to start off with, you need your primer, and for my drugstore primer, I am doing the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Covergirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 in shade 842. And you can get a Real Technique beauty sponge at Walgreens for, I want to say, about $5. I'll leave all the prices down below. I'll add everything in, links and stuff like that. So now that we are done with our foundation, it is time to go on to concealer. I am going in with the Maybelline New York concealer, Fit Me, in shade 20, I believe it is Sand. And unfortunately, with being an adult, you still get acne sometimes, so I have a couple spots that I'm going to hit, and yeah. And then I'm going in with my Real Techniques mini sponge. You can also get these at Walgreens. It's a pack of 4, so. And now for my eyebrows, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon Brow Pencil in shade 623A, Brunettes Do It Better. My eyebrows are done. Now it's time to set my face. You always want to make sure you set your face so your makeup look stays fabulous the whole entire time you wear it and you don't have to worry about it moving or anything. So I'm going in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte in the shade Creamy Natural. And you just want to take any big fluffy brush, really. And since I get oily around my nose pretty easily, I'm going to go ahead and pack some powder onto my brush, and I'm going to go ahead and cake around my nose. Alright, time for some bronzer. We know in the fall and in the winter we lose our color, So I'm going in with my Milani face powder in shade 07 Dark Tan. It's called the Multitasking Face Powder. Milani you can pick up at Walmart, and I'm not sure if I think certain drugstores carry them, but I always seem to find it at my Walmart for where I live. It's $10. It comes with a face powder, and it comes with an applicator, and it also comes with a compact mirror. So it's not that bad for $10 when it comes with a mirror and an applicator. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara to do my mascara. Now that I am done with my mascara, I'm going to go ahead with my lipstick. I'm using Maybelline New York's Loyalist and the Super Stay Matte Ink. I really have loved this formula, especially if you're going back to school and you're there for your 8 hours and you have to have your lunch and everything, gym and everything, whatever the case may be. This will last the whole entire time. It's like so soft, it doesn't dry your lips out, and it will last all day. And it feels like you have a lip gloss on when you rub your lips together, but you don't. So this stuff is amazing. I totally recommend it. I love anything of their matte ink or like their Super Stay stuff. I have noticed that it holds up to its name. And now you can call that it if you want to, or if you're like me and you don't want a full matte look, you want a nice like gleamy look, you can go ahead and go in with a Wet n Wild highlighter. They have, I believe they have 3 different shades. They have a pink one that I have, they have a champagne color, and I believe they have a darker champagne color. And also, if you don't want a full matte look, you can go in with the NYX Dewy finish. Or if you want a fuller matte look to make it absolutely stay, you can go in with the L'Oreal Palace Infallible. I have actually gone through 2 bottles of this, and I love it. But today, I want a nice dewy look. It's first day of fall, and I'm feeling it, but I don't want to look dry because we're just getting into the colder weather. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my NYX Dewy Finish. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but NYX is now sold in drugstores. They're not only sold in regular, like Walmart and Myers, they're also sold in drugstores, and they're also sold at Ulta. So it's actually really nice that NYX is like getting out there. They have some very good products. I have a lot of their stuff. I have a lot of their lipsticks and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and with my NYX Dewy Finish, long lasting setting spray, set my face. I applied my setting spray, and now I'm going to go ahead and with my Wet n Wild highlighter. It is in the shade Precious Petals. And now I'm going to take some of my highlighter and put it on the tip of my finger. I'm going to put it on the inner corners of my eye. Or if you want to, you can use this as an eyeshadow. And also, for those that know me pretty well, that's watched my previous videos, they know I'm not a big I'm not a big blush person, but there are several Wet n Wild blushes out there. I will show you some. This one is Rose Champagne. And then I have the Pearlescent Pink, but I do not like to apply blush very often, so I'm going to keep my face just like this.